And welcome back to another Playmo AF unbagging and review. Today we are back at Brysen's and London's house in Virginia, and we've got some blind bags from Series 24. Let's check them out. Okay guys, welcome back. We have 3 girls Series 24 mystery figures. This is set 70940. If any avid viewers of this channel remember, I do have a few of these figures. I do have this woman with the parrot, or the parakeet, I'm not sure, the bird. This woman in a gown, this clown, and the seamstress lady right here in the middle. And we're hoping that we have 3 totally different figures. The one I really want is the black and white figure up at the top here, or the vampire. I like her. I think she's a vampire. I don't really know what she is. So anyway, we've got one right here. We're gonna check this out. Let's go ahead and open her up. I like this one because the bag is kind of puffy. It's a little bit bigger than the rest. And I haven't done any feeling to figure out who it is, so we're just gonna see who it is right now for the first time.
And this one is different.
This is a different one. You're absolutely right. We have somebody I do not have yet, so we're gonna go ahead and put her together. But she's wearing a very pretty pink gown, and we're gonna go ahead and put her body. Well, if we can get it to fit. There we go. Yeah. And her legs, for some reason, don't want to stay on. And that's not okay. But let's get her head on. Maybe after I get her head on, it'll be okay. Yep, there we go. She's got pink, hot pink hair. Look at that.
Wait, let me have the back. We have the back. Oh, it's the middle one. Yeah, this one.
This one actually is like a Miss America or Miss Universe pageant contestant.
No, you got
because
this
she's
one.
got the sash.
No, you.
No, I know, but she might be a contestant for a beauty pageant, and that's what I'm gonna go with. She's got the ribbon that goes somewhere. Oh, down here. Kind of busy, and then she has this very bright pink crown that goes right on top of her head.
And we're almost done.
Oh, Bryson's putting our flowers on.
Can I put on it?
You can get the next one. So here are the flowers fully assembled by Brysen. Thank you very much, sir. And we're going to give our contestant the flowers. It looks like she may have won the crown for being the prettiest. And there she is with her flowers. Very nice figure. We do have an extra flower. Not sure what we can do with it, but we've got plenty of other flowers.
Wait, how about you put the flower in here?
That's okay. I don't need to. But yeah, so we're going to move on to the next one and see who is in store in that bag. Number 2. Who is it? Who is it? We don't know. We're about to find out. What if it's the same one? Oh gosh, I hope it's not the same one. It is not. We got a completely different Klicky again. We're doing good. We're doing good.
This one. The vampire.
Oh, that one's a vampire. That's not the one I thought it was. Okay. We got something new here. Brysen, move back, bud. Alright, here's the arms. Now, all for the girls' arms, don't forget, guys, the girls' arms, the arms are bent just a little bit. So there's a specific way you got to put the arms.
That's a girl.
It is a girl.
And the next one is a boy.
And this one's very kind of neat because it's got the skin color is kind of a light pink.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Now she doesn't have vampire teeth, but she does have this really unique face.
Let's see.
It's very interesting.
Oh God, that's that one.
Yeah.
That's scary.
And she has this little, whoops. She has this little red bow that goes right on the top of her head. Like that. I'm surprised they didn't give her purple or something to match the outfit. And then she has this staff, and it looks like smoke around a little ball, a magic ball. And this is pretty cool. It's okay.
What's her name?
This is we're gonna call her
Witch.
Lucia.
And what's her name?
Ginger.
Wait, she's not a vampire. She's a witch.
Yes, I think this is a witch. That's a very good observation that you just made.
Wait.
Very nice figure. Right now, this is my favorite figure out of the two of them. But we've got one more. Let's check her out. Number 3. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
I hope it's not the same one.
I really hope it's not the same one either. I got the black and white one I wanted. Yes. Oh, this makes me so happy. Hold on, bud.
Okay. You like it. But you forgot the instructions.
Oh, I don't need those. I know how to do this. This is the one I've been wanting ever since I found out this figure was even available. Ah, this one's so cool. So a lot of people say that this is a ghost. Some people say it's a statue. I think it's a ghost too. But I'm not 100% sure. If anybody knows what it is for sure, leave me a comment below.
We're almost done.
Now, how come this doesn't snap? It's supposed to go like that, but it doesn't. Did I do everything right? Oh, I didn't have the legs in all the way. Now we should hear it. There we go. That was close. All right, we got the neck piece here. Did I do that right? Yeah, I did that. She's got the hair.
Oh.
Now she's got the hat. Let me
No,
see the hat.
it's this one.
Yeah, it's the one on the top. All right, very cool. I'm so happy about this one. And she's got these 2 feathers that go on the top like that.
Why is she?
Very fancy looking. But her flowers.
Can I do the flowers?
Oh, yeah. Here, I'm going to just do the one. There you go. All right, so now this one is my all-time favorite of this set of 3. Very exciting. Okay, and here's the flowers assembled, fully assembled by London. Thank you, London.
You're welcome.
And we're gonna put these on into her hand. Hold on, you gotta keep these out.
Oh.
And there she is, completed. Okay, so here we have my new Klickys, all 3 of them together, side by side. And I gotta say, guys, the one in the middle is my absolute favorite. What about you, London? Which one do you like the best?
I think.
You like her?
Yes, so pretty.
Yeah. Can you put her back so everybody can see? Yeah. There you go. Oh, put her back with the others.
And you'll see the back.
Yep.
Look on the back.
Yep.
And you'll see this one, the front and the back. And
Hold on. She can do it. She already did the other 2.
this and that.
Okay. Very cool. So I like the middle one. London likes the princess. And then Bryson, which one do you like the best? The witch. Hold on. Put it over there. Yeah. So we all like one in this bunch. And that, guys, is all I've got to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
No,
if you did, give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. And don't forget, guys, you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. And that is it. We've got another video coming up again very soon, guys. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.